What's up, everyone? It is Jason, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you a little bit about ChatGPT and some prompting guidance to help you get the most out of the platform. If you're not a current user of ChatGPT, what are you waiting for? This is a platform that literally is shifting the path of AI, and for the small fee of just 20 bucks a month, you get access to this insanely powerful tool that can help you and your business in so many ways. You might find that the platform sometimes pulls content and or responses to the questions or the prompts that you may be asking in a way that misses the mark in terms of what your expectations may be. This is not for everything. And I think prompting ChatGPT is really not only relevant, but important. Anytime I start a new session, one of the things that I have found to be the most useful is to stage a prompt that allows the platform to understand my point of view, my perspective, and the business that I own called the SCE Event Group. The leading prompt that I start with anytime I'm looking for anything that is regarding myself or my business is I prompt ChatGPT to ask me anywhere between 5 and 25 questions so that it gets a good grasp, a great understanding of who I am, what the business is about, and how it can best represent my point of view in generating the response. What that does is it prompts ChatGPT to then pose a number of questions to me that it would require in order to furnish a personalized and unique response that is dialed into my point of view, my perspective, and the business that I own, the SCE Event Group. I found that this prompting sequence in staging questions to the platform has allowed me to expand the responses that I get from the platform and make sure that those responses are a lot more dialed into who I am, what I personally do, and the things that my business is all about in terms of values, messaging, tone, and service delivery. I feel like that's super important. While I'm in this universe of talking about this incredibly powerful AI platform, I also want to share with you a plugin. You can now use plugins, and that is part of the paid subscription at this point. There are a number of plugins that are incredibly powerful. One of the plugins that I recently learned about is called Scraper, and the Scraper plugin, how I've been able to use this Scraper plugin to the ChatGPT 4.0 platform is I can pull up a website, and whether it be reviews or whether it be something from the services that we offer at SCE, using the Scraper plugin, I'm able to prompt GPT to go to a website, to scrape all of the content from the website, and to generate a response that is generated from the content found on the website that I'm asking about. And how I've been able to use this and unpacking this really has been in the world of reviews. I've asked the platform using the plugin Scraper to generate some really cool social media content found on the Wedding Wire review page from the SCE Event Group, allowing me to get specific quotes from specific events that have reviews on these platforms. It's incredibly robust and it's incredibly powerful, and it's allowed me to expand on some of the content that I am looking to create to help best promote not only myself, not only the services, but the team at SCE. I wanted to share that with you because I feel like there's a ton of value in it. Anyway, are you using ChatGPT for your business? If so, I'd love to understand how you're using it in the comments underneath this video, and I appreciate you sticking with me to the very end. It's important that you share so we all can learn and read and engage in a conversation after I release this video on the channel, and I'm super proud of the community that is now surrounding this channel here on this platform, YouTube, and I'm just grateful for you checking this out to the very end. Anyway, be on the lookout for more content coming right here to this channel in the days, weeks, and months ahead, and I appreciate you once again. See you soon.